Hello and welcome back to the channel. So a few weeks back, my lights stopped working. It's either the fuse to the old house, or the wire's gone somewhere. Apparently, it was dodgy before. It went on and off for weeks. Anyway, so finally got myself to order some lights and just running them off the extension cable. So I've been bringing most of my stuff in there. I've got the press, I've got all my engines and stuff. Only thing I'm keeping in the static still is the battery charger. I've got the ultrasonic cleaner down there that I need to sort out, because now I've got a day off. It's Saturday, I've got a day off somehow, and I've managed to find the bolts that were still holding this together. They were like right hidden in the bottom. It was just these three. There's two nuts and one bolt, and that's still in the socket with me. So keep in mind of those, and then it came apart pretty easy. I gave it a good heat up, and got some wood and something just to pry it a little bit, open up the crack, the seam. So here it is. The first thing I noticed was that obviously there's a bit of rust in here, but it's mostly just the connecting rods and the crankshaft. When I'm cleaning it, I'm going to have to be careful not to do the machine part here, but I don't think I'll bother with the camshaft, because I'm not sure you can see it, but if I feel it, it's pretty rough. You can feel a bit of a dent all the way around, but mostly on the cam lobe, I don't know, the pointy bit. So is that maybe it's got a sportier cam in it already, but that might be a opportunity to buy a better camshaft. I think some people put turbos, but the gear feels fine, looks alright. I think you can probably take it off, maybe, I don't know, but yeah, that's why I don't know if it's alright to put all these in the ultrasonic cleaner. I don't know if it'll wreck the machined part at all. They feel alright. Here one bearing's still in there. Is it? Yeah. But let's take a look at, well, actually I might leave them in, but they look pretty good. Yeah. Have they fallen down? No, the middle one's off and these two are still on. So yeah, overall pretty much how I expected it to be. Obviously the block is it aluminium? Don't know. It's probably an alloy or something, but it hasn't rusted, so that's good. It's just the connecting rods, the bearing caps, and the bit of the crankshaft. I think they have a bit of a rough texture, new, so just need to wipe off the rust. I might. Well, I'll see. I'll Google to see if it's alright to put in an ultrasonic cleaner, but if I can, then I'll just sandpaper first, save getting the stuff dirty in ultrasonic cleaner quick, and give it a quick time in there, and then clean it off with the brick cleaner or something, and should be good. But yeah, I need to just order parts now. I think the push rods and everything alright. Maybe I should replace them anyway. Actually no, they should be fine, because there's is it the tappets? What are they called? The cam follower. There we go, got there eventually. I did break this, but they're pretty much plastic. There should be plenty of them. Because it was actually, I took the pistons out first, and the good, because I thought it might be alright, just in case the compression rings pop out and then I can't get them out the block. But yeah, basically when I was taking them out, they should have just come out pretty easily, the gudgeon pins, but I had to knock them out with the extension from my socket set, so that was a pain, and I couldn't get any of the circlips out properly. I need to buy some better circlip pliers, so I just managed to, it took me like a minute on each one, but just bend it and pull it out with some pliers. So I managed to get one out good, but they probably come with the new gudgeon pins. Don't know if I need new pistons. They look alright, and there's not too much scrapes on them and around the things, but if I get new pistons then I'll probably hone the cylinders. That's cool. Probably just going to leave it for today. Does that pop out? Yeah, that just pops out. So nothing actually, it's just the two sides that hold it in. It doesn't have any, so it doesn't have any main bearing caps. Well, it kind of does. It's just the two sides just clamped together. A bit fiddly, but there we go. So this should just pull out, but I want to lay everything down tidy so I know where everything goes back and how to work and everything. But yeah, should I get new pistons? Probably. Hone the cylinders. They look pretty tidy, but one of the cylinders is a bit rusty. So you can see which one. It was downhill, and most of the water you can see on the body of the van. It's the way it was sitting. So it was a back right, and that was the back right cylinder that had the intake on open, which allowed, oh no, exhaust on open, which allowed water to get through the exhaust valve. And then that's also the end of the van where all the rust is on the bad body patching that somebody else did. You can see all the weld seams on everything. Hopefully parts are cheaper than a new engine or a second-hand engine, although it would be worth just rebuilding this and having a brand new engine out of it. So yes, and then I can spend a lot more time on the body. That'll be fun. Next door has a camper van just like mine, but in white. It might be water cooled actually, I don't know. So I'll ask them if they've got an engine in it that works or just needs starting. It looks like they're just keeping it stationary, and then I can yank the engine and gearbox out of that and put it in mine when this is getting all of its stuff done. It's going to be a long project, but this is just a little update video. I haven't even meddled with the gearbox yet. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my, need to hang that a bit better. I mean, it's better than being folded up, isn't it? I need to get a better organising system, but overall, not too bad. Only thing I got left doing here is get a new panel, a new corrugated or something up there. Because you can see it's starting to rot the beam. There's a crack there. I had to move some stuff around because this was there and it was filling up with water. Gonna probably do the bike in my own time. Maybe update you on it every now and again. Tidied all this up. All that side is just rubbish, and I'm not gonna move it somewhere if everyone's gonna move stuff back in here. So there's a bit of a water leak over there. I can hear it spraying, but it keeps drying here. I do want to get a wood burner, so maybe I'll put a wood burner there and put a cutout for a chimney up there. It's either that or put it over there somewhere and put a flexi pipe through the door over there and through the window. I've got a fan for it, I've got everything to fix it up. So I'll show you that very quickly, but yeah, that's it for in here. Happy days. Just finding time and motivation to get out here and do it is the problem. But it's starting to warm up a bit, so that's nicer. And this folded up very well. It's very good hoist. I might do a video on trying to start this. Was it the other one? Yes, the other one, because I didn't put a hole in it. I might try and start that one up. When I was small, it was outside all the time, and somehow it still turns. That one got from Dorset Steam Fair, so that's cool. Roll cage for the 4-track, which I've messed with it a bit. I'm gonna take all this tape off once I get some of the welding done. See all the mud on the inside. Can I just mention, I listen to Nation Radio, and I bet every radio station's doing it, but they're always playing bloody Lady Gaga. I mean, I know they do it with every new hit song, but it's not that amazing, is it? It's alright, but it's not crazy amazing. Anyway, I'm going to show you the wood burner. By the way, next project to go on the driveway. Hopefully that. I'm just trying to clear up a bit so I can get it over here, put a tent over, so I can work happily in the night. So, there's my caravan I need to sort out. There's one wheel off the bead on the other side, that's pain. The hitch needs replacing. It's a older style hitch, so it needs a bigger ball hitch. so it just pops off when it wants. These engines did turn when they came in about half a year ago, so those will be fun to work on. A potato patch, I didn't well, I didn't want to do it last year, but they got me to do it last year for the second time. So this year I said no, definitely not doing it, and they've just gone and stolen my potato patch. So where is it? It's over here. Got this from my auntie. It was out in the yard. She got a replacement one that was exactly the same. So this was out on the yard for about probably 3 or 4 years. I took all the blocks. So I got one good glass, but I think I got 2 new ones, so maybe 1. I don't know. But yeah, I just want to cook beans and do bacon and eggs on it. It'd be fun. That'll be great, indeed. I probably won't like polish it up, make it black again, but I'll give it a good wire brush, maybe oil it. I believe I've got parts in here. So there's a tyre, that's not good. But this would be a cool thing to redecorate the inside. It's actually a bit modern-y, to be fair. But where are my parts? I've got all the bricks, and I've got glass somewhere, but I can't remember where. But yeah, fun. So hopefully you enjoyed the little video, and I'll see you next time. Sorry I'm so tired. I've been lambing, and only day I get really day off when I'm half motivated. That's going to be hot rod project. That's cool. It's got rust in the floor, but it's still got a bit of a body, doesn't it? I'll put a bit of a chassis on it, and maybe put a wheelbarrow job on it. I don't know, but well, that's going to be fun.